Hey everyone, welcome to Plants and Politics. So I shared with you last month that a case would be going before a U.S. appeals court at the beginning of this month, and in regard to Epstein's bogus plea agreement that he received from Alex Acosta, which violated the rights of the victims because Acosta, by law, should have taken this up with the victims. He should have notified them of his plans to offer the plea agreement and the non-prosecution agreement prior to sealing that deal. And he should have allowed them a chance to speak before the court and so forth. Well, that case before the appeals court did take place last Thursday. I was hoping that we would have an answer from the appeals court soon, so I've been kind of holding off on reporting this to you guys, but apparently it's going to take a while. So the attorney for the plaintiff, which is a victim named Courtney Wild, the attorney's name is Paul Cassell, he believes he has a strong case because the judge who originally heard their case did agree that the victims' rights were violated. It was District Judge Kenneth Mara. He ruled last year that non-prosecution agreement did violate the Federal Crime Victims' Rights Bill, but he didn't offer any remedy for the situation. He wasn't really able to offer them any ruling that they could move forward and still go after Epstein's co-conspirators. And that's really the goal with this, because part of that non-prosecution agreement, if you're not familiar, is that Epstein's co-conspirators cannot be prosecuted. So that means that all of these victims have no right, if that stands, to go after people like Ghislaine Maxwell or any of the other co-conspirators out there, Marcinkova or Jean-Luc Brunel, any of them who took part in this or facilitated the abuse of these children. Unfortunately, we won't have an answer for a while. They're saying that the court will be considering this and they may not get back with an answer for anywhere between 3 to 5 months. So sadly, we will not know until closer to spring or maybe even closer to summer of next year. And yeah, this just can't be allowed to stand. As Paul Cassell said, the attorney for the victim, quote, "Everyone agrees this was a highly unusual deal that was cut for Epstein. It gave a blank check immunity provision for a number of people. We don't even know who they are and what crimes they may have committed. It is unparalleled in American law." And yeah, it's 100% true. For all they know, some of these perpetrators, some of these predators could have murdered children. We don't know. There was something that came up in regard to the accusation against Donald Trump. The woman who alleges that she was beaten and raped by Donald Trump at Epstein parties said that Trump used a girl named Maria to threaten her. So Maria was a girl that she claims she met at some of the parties held at Epstein's home in New York. And she said that all of a sudden Maria just stopped coming. This was in her deposition. This was in her sworn deposition. She said that Maria attended several of the parties and then nobody saw her again. She just kind of vanished. And she alleges that Trump told her, if you tell anyone or if you do anything, if you don't go along with this, you're going to disappear just like Maria. So for all we know, this Maria girl was disposed of. We don't know. And therefore, by giving Epstein and his co-conspirators and other predators a blanket agreement, blanket non-prosecution agreement, they literally could be signing off on the murder of a child. Now, again, these are allegations. Nothing has been proven yet, but this woman was very credible. She had a witness. I believe she may have even had two, but I know for sure that one also gave a sworn deposition. So I will let you guys know as soon as I hear anything. As always, thanks for watching and listening. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk with you soon. Take care. Thanks for listening to Plants and Politics. The only way we can take our country and power back is to spread the truth and build an army. So remember to like, follow, subscribe, and share on Facebook, YouTube, and wherever you listen to your podcasts. Thanks again.